Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove negative marks from your Experian credit reports. Let's get straight into the video. First of all, we're going to talk about identifying the negative mark. So you can get a copy of your Experian credit reports to identify the negative mark, and then you can also review the report carefully to ensure that the negative mark is accurate. Now, when you need to dispute the negative mark, what you want to do is you can dispute the negative mark online through Experian's website. You can also dispute the negative mark by calling Experience customer service via phone, and you can also dispute the negative mark by sending a written dispute to Experian by mail. Now, for provide to provide supporting documents, you're gonna need to provide proof of payment, such as a cancelled check or payment receipt. You're also gonna need to obtain a letter from the creditor stating the account has been paid or settled. You're also gonna need to provide court documents such as bankruptcy discharge or foreclosure dismissal. Now you just gotta wait for Experience investigation. So Experience is gonna investigate the dispute and verify all the information that you've provided. And if the dispute is resolved in your favor, the negative mark will be removed. Now here are a couple of some types of negative marks that you might find on your account. You could find late payments. So late payments can be removed if you provide proof of payment. Now, for collections can be removed if you provide proof of payment or settlement as well. Now, and public records such as bankruptcies or foreclosures can be removed after a certain period. Now, the time frame for removal for late payments, the time frame is 7 years, so it can be removed after 7 years. For collections can also be removed after 7 years, and public records can also be removed, but that from between 7 to 10 years. So that's the time frame for removals, and that's all the info I got for you guys on this video. Hope you liked it, hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.